Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, I was recently contacted by Nikki from Sasquatch Books, and she offered to do a giveaway to 5 winners for the Encyclopedia of Country Living by Carla Emery. And I thought this was really exciting. I get nothing from this, just so you know. They are just willing to do this giveaway for you guys. So 5 people will be able to win this book. And so if you don't have it already, I'm going to tell you how you can enter into this drawing. But before I do that, I want to tell you that I do have a video review just on this book. And then I also have a more recent one. I've actually mentioned it in several different book related videos, but I also mentioned it in a more recent one on the top 5 books that I would make sure I kept on hand, at least for me. And that I'll link to both of those videos down below. So I highly suggest you go check those both out. So how to enter? Well, the first stipulation is you do have to be within the United States, and you need to have a physical shipping address, not a P.O. box. So those are the 2 requirements. I'm sorry, but you just got to understand, it's just the way things are. I mean, look how thick this book is. This would cost quite a bit to ship, and let alone the cost of the book. And they're willing to give 5 of these away. And I thought that was pretty exciting. So here's what you have to do. Below this video, I want you to put a comment. Make sure you mention Encyclopedia of Country Living in there, because that's going to be the keywords that are going to be used to be able to do the drawing correctly. And tell us why you would like a copy, why it's important to you. It can be short, it can be long, however you want, just so long as you make sure you put the title of the book in your comment. So how that works is I use an online program. I haven't actually done this in quite a few years, but you can get online. There's easy, free online programs you go to, and it does a randomized selection. So all I do is I go to that video through this program, and then I put in the keywords that I want it to find, and then it will pull up randomly. I'll just go through there and then randomly pick a comment that has that in it. But again, please do not comment with that unless you have a physical address to put in there and you live in the United States. And then a week from today, I'll be doing the actual drawing, and I'll probably put it in a short who the winners are. And so make sure you watch for that short. And then I'll also mention them again in the following this and that. So make sure you watch for that Monday this and that video right after that drawing, which it will be on the October 25th is when the drawing is going to be. So make sure you watch the next Monday's video, or at least look for the short where I'll give the announcements. And then what you're going to do is you're going to email me at raincountryhomestead@gmail.com once I share your whatever your channel name is. And then you'll make sure that you give me your username on the platform so that I can make sure that I have the right person. And then I need to get your addresses. And at that point, once I have all your name and the address you want it shipped to, again, physical address in the United States, then I will send those off to Nikki, and then she will get those books shipped off to you. So anyway, I thought this was really exciting, just a fun way that somebody, at least a few more people, can get their hands on this book. But even if you're not one of the lucky ones that happens to get the book for free, it really is for what it is and how much information is packed into this book. It is very inexpensive. I paid $20 for this one. I think it's now maybe $22 if you go to Amazon, but I'm also pretty sure you can find them on any used book sites. Amazon has used books as well. And I know a lot of people, and please give your suggestions down below. There's a lot of different places you can go to find used books for a really, really good price. So I highly recommend it. It's just because it has so much information. I mean, look how small the print is. There's a ton in here. Very well put together book. So anyway, I just want to share that with you, get this information. So get those comments down below one more time. I want to remind you to make sure you put the words Encyclopedia of Country Living in your comment, and then tell us why you would like a copy of this book. All right, well, thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.